Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Ford Fusion. Stock number is 18M303A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, a look down the passenger side, and then we're going to take a look inside. You have cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors on the back. Taking a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Fusion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.